Alright guys, what is going on? Long time no see. So, I know I've been gone a little while. I've been trying to get some money for this build. I'm sure y'all can't blame me, but I would like to update you on what is currently in the works and what is going on. First thing right off the bat is the toolbox. Yeah, I finally got a toolbox. Right here I got the Bosch 0344, I think, or 044. Can't remember what it's called. And then a fuel filter, and then a nice mount for it, and then cleaning supplies, and some octane booster and stuff like that. Though, I'm really happy to show you guys this. One thing that came recently, in the big scheme of things, is dun 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 dun. Oh man! So right now we have an EFI Source Megasport 3 gold box, and then a harness. So super excited about that. I also have a kitten right now. Ozzy. Look. Oh man, he's cute. Alright, so right here I got my custom radiator mount. So basically I'm going to have a rubber bushing sit right here, and that will be for the foot of the radiator mount, and then 2 notches to fit into the original radiator mount. And this actually straddles between the high point of the oil filter, or the oil cooler mount, and then the low point of the radiator mount. So I mean, I literally just made this out of metal, nothing hard, just with a cutting wheel, and pretty satisfied. I just need to see if the grommet fits, or if I need to size up on that. I just got the grommets off of eBay. I saw some other questions regarding the transmission. So it is a much cheaper route to do the LT1 T56 if you can find one for cheaper, which often you can, versus the LS1 T56 coming in around $2,500. So, I mean, you'll save a good amount of money. So another thing I did was I got ECS floor pans, which are designed just to go over your existing floor with no carpet. And one thing I did that you probably shouldn't do is, on the right hand side, the passenger side, the rust wasn't too bad. So I just, yo, can you fucking chill out? Oh my lord. And on the passenger side, I used it for just covering the small gap in rust, and then I'll probably do something to cover up the rest of it, since it wasn't too structural. But on the driver's side, it was a little too hard. So on Monday, it's currently Thursday, it's going to get trailered over to the town over, where it will get a window tent and the floor pans welded, basically, at Most Wanted Customs with Jeff Jones. He watches sometimes, so if you're watching this, fuck you, Jeff. Yeah, so that's all I can think of right now. I've got a list that I'm going through. Oh, wait, never mind. I lied. So here's the dash. This is currently in the works, but I found some nice buttons and stuff like that. And then I got 4 52 millimeter gauges. So I also have to get a new cluster, since I have an E series cluster. It only revved up to 5K. So I need to buy a 7K cluster. I have the coating plug right here. So I have here, if we can show this, E30 V8 coating plug. I actually found it on eBay in Poland. Odd place to find something, but it worked. So it was much cheaper than the garagistic option. Speaking of garagistic, one more thing I need to do is the headers, and so my options are $450 from garagistic with the V-band, I believe is what it costs, or $1,000 from Siki. And Siki is a guaranteed fitment with their mounts, and then garagistic, from what I hear, is not guaranteed in any way, shape, or form on any mounts. But another thing you need is the eyeball arm, which is the control arm mounts. So that is required to get clearance on the driver's side, I believe, for the header to pass through. We're getting there. So I'm going to cut it right here, and when I continue this, we should be getting the car on the trailer or in Fairmont, depending on where or what my schedule is. So yeah. Sup, fuckers? So we're back. What's up, Steve? What's up, Andrew? All right, so Beamer is about to get towed in all its beauty.
Even got NOS over it.
Yeah, I know. It's got a NOS and an LS1. But yeah, we're waiting on the tow truck. It should have been here like an hour and a half ago, but AAA is sending us a new one, and then it's getting towed over to Fairmont, where she'll start kind of looking pretty, I guess.
Shout out Most Wanted Customs.
Yep, shout out Most
Jeff
Wanted
Jones.
Customs. Yo, Steve's truck. Yo, Steve, I hear you got some new parts on the truck.
Yeah, a little bit.
Ooh, hot boy. Looking clean. Deleted the mold, new headlights. But what is that, a tuner? Bro, are you trying to do it for Dale?
A little bit here and there.
20 horsepower?
Give or take. Plus the 85.
Hell yeah. Tires, and what's next?
Wheels. Black 20-inch wheels.
And nitrous, right?
Maybe.
Maybe?
It's still the wife's truck.
She won't know. Just get one of those hidden key holder.
The button is for the lights. That's what we'll tell her. And then when she goes
Yeah, get like a light bar.
then she'll go to turn on the lights and be like,
Dude, what if she accidentally hits the purge?
yeah. Scares the shit out of herself.
Fucking clean.
Hey, there she is. She's coming up.
Oh yeah, there's Mia.
Did she pass?
No, she made it. Yo, we recording a video. Say what's up. All right. Yeet!